Hello friends, subscribe Technology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates. Nowadays we all are using smartphones and most of the people are using Android OS on their mobiles. So as you know, we all are download our smartphone application from Play Store. So today I'm going to show you some Play Store tricks that every Android user should know. Number 1 is parental control. Setting parental control on your Android phone that keep your kids safe from unwanted adult apps. To setting the parental control on your smartphone, then you have to click on Play Store and then just go to your setting option, and after that click on the parental control under user control and then turn on your parental control. After that you have to put your PIN and click on OK and retype your PIN again, and after that click on OK. Now you can choose your kid's age, like 7 I will choose, and after that click on save. Number 2 is Indie Corner. It's difficult to get latest apps and games from Play Store. Indie Corner is a trick for Play Store where you can find latest games and apps on Play Store. So for that you need to open Chrome from your Android mobile, and after that you have to search Indie Corner, and after that you have to go to this first link of Play Store, and now you will get all the latest apps and games through this method. Number 3 is home screen apps icon. Whenever you have installed new apps from Play Store, it is automatically added the icon of that apps on your home screen. So it is very annoying for us. So to disable home screen apps icon, you have to open your Play Store and after that go to your settings option, and here you will get one option is called add icon to home screen. So you have to uncheck that option. After that you are done. Number 4 is auto update apps. Auto update is an option where Android apps are updated automatically whenever your Android phone connected any Wi-Fi network. To disable auto update apps, you have to open your Play Store and after that go to your settings, and here you will get one option is called auto update apps. So after that you have to check this option is called do not auto update apps. Number 5 is early access. Every day many creators are making Android apps for us. Early access is the option for Google Play Store where you can use beta testing apps on your smartphone before they have officially released on Play Store.